Hello, greetings, guys. As you know, your noun chapter has been completed, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the pronoun, your second part of speech. And now, start pronoun. It is said सर्वनाम in हिंदी. सर्वनाम. इसका एक नाम और बता रही हूँ मैं आपको. इसको प्रतिस्थापन पद भी कहते हैं. क्या? प्रतिस्थापन पद. प्रतिस्थापन यानी कि दूसरे की जगह पर स्थापित करने वाला पद कहते हैं. आपको आई होप आपको प्रोनाउन की डेफिनेशन आती होगी. चलिए फिर भी कर लेते हैं. ए प्रोनाउन is a word which is used in place of a noun. मीन्स जो प्रोनाउन है एक ऐसा शब्द होता है जिसको नाउन के प्लेस पर यूज किया जाता है. मीन्स संज्ञा के प्लेस पर प्रयोग किया जाता है. Now look at some examples. Number 1, Ram. It is in my habit to write Ram. Sita, Gita. Ram did not come as he was not invited. इन्वाइटेड. देखिए राम डिड नॉट कम. राम नहीं आया. एज क्योंकि ही वॉज नॉट इन्वाइटेड क्योंकि उसको इन्वाइट नहीं किया गया. सो गाइज एज वी फाउंड अबाउट नाउन पुटिंग हु हुज whom. So in the same way we will find out about pronoun putting the word who, whose, whom in place of subject. Who was not invited. Who was not invited means Ram was not invited. Who did not come. कौन नहीं आया means राम नहीं आया. Your answer is Ram. So he is replaced as Ram. जो ये ही है यहाँ पर ये राम के प्लेस पर आया है, इसलिए ही आपका प्रोनाउन है. नाउ सेकंड एग्जांपल इज सीता फेल्ड बिकॉज शी डिड नॉट वर्क हार्ड. क्या लिखेंगे हम? सीता फेल्ड बिकॉज she did not work hard. Pay attention please. Who failed? कौन फेल हो गया? सीता. सीता फेल हो गया. सो जो ये सीता है इसको रिप्लेस किसने किया है? सी ने. सो सी डिड नॉट वर्क हार्ड क्योंकि उसने वर्क हार्ड नहीं किया इसलिए फेल हो गई. कौन? सीता. So Sita is replaced as she. She is your pronoun. Number 3, the lady who wrote this poem is coming today. Now who is coming? The lady. Who is coming? The lady. So who is who? The lady. So, who is your pronoun? Now, kind of pronoun. Next question is kinds of pronoun. How many kinds are there of pronoun? There are 10 kinds of pronoun. Number 1, personal. Pronoun. 2, interrogative pronoun. Number 3, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Number 4, demonstrative pronoun. Number 5, distributive pronoun. Distributive. Number 6, indefinite pronoun. Number 7, reflexive pronoun. Number 8, reciprocal pronoun. Number 9, emphatic pronoun. And number 10, possessive pronoun. Dear guys, in junior classes you are taught only 8 kind of pronouns, and now we will explain about 10. So guys, I hope it is enough for today. So learn definition of pronoun. Read and write and learn definition of pronoun and its kind. Thank you. Have a nice day.